In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Slack. This is a simple process and should only take about 5 minutes to complete. Whether you need a break from a colleague's constant notifications or you just need to clear your workspace of unnecessary distractions, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's head over to Slack. You can do this by opening your Slack application on your desktop or by visiting slack.com in your web browser. Next, you'll need to log into your Slack account if you aren't already signed in. You can do this using your email, Google, or Apple account, depending on what you used when you first created your Slack profile. Just click on the preferred login option and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of available workspaces. Click on the one you're currently focusing on. This is important because Slack organizes your conversations by workspace, and all the actions you take, like hiding messages, will be specific to the workspace you're in. Now, you'll need to locate the person whose messages you want to hide from view. This can be done by opening the direct messages or channels where you've interacted with them. If you're having trouble finding them, you can use the search bar to enter their name or any keywords from your previous conversations. Once you've found a message from the person you want to hide, hover your mouse over the message. When you do this, you'll notice several icons appear on the right side. Look for the ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Hovering over or clicking on this icon will display a drop-down menu with a range of options you can apply directly to that message. Within this menu, you'll want to find and select the Hide option. Clicking Hide will remove the message from your view, effectively blocking it from disrupting your focus. Remember, this doesn't permanently remove the message, nor does it notify the other person. Instead, it simply hides the message for you in that workspace, giving you a tidier and more focused visual space. This is a great tool for managing your Slack environment when certain conversations become overwhelming or distracting. By following these steps, you should now see a cleaner interface, free from unwanted messages, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters for your work. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out through Slack's support channels. They're a fantastic resource and can provide personalized assistance tailored to your specific issue. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hide someone's messages on Slack, giving you better control over your workspace environment. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.